Should we try to install some solar panels? That's how we're going to route it. Up through the fridge. Up yonder. On the roof. If y'all don't know, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's if you're offspring, but it just goes off. Ah. I'm gonna sneak it behind the piece. That's a way to kind of hide it. Alright, it's gonna come in through this compartment right here. You can't see it, I can't see it. We'll get it in though. It's gonna come through some tools in there. Then this little hole, whoop, right there. This is my freshwater compartment, like it is on a lot of campers. And I drilled a little 1/2-inch hole right here. Always wear a rubber. All right, there she is. This little bad boy is gonna go into a completely hoopty-fied electronics department over here, right next to his big brother. All right, so these are gonna be wired in parallel. So quick math here. Males on the panels need to go to the females right here, splitter, which then goes to another male right here, which means this needs the female, which means this male is the one that has to go down. The reverse for the negative side. All right, fished them quite part of the way down with my hand. I don't think a hanger or fishing pole or anything was much needed because I can reach my hand up in that little area and get it. So see how that goes.
They really do be using some fiberglass insulation though, so I'm gonna get some gloves.
It's fucking itching.
Better wear that latex because you don't want that latex that I think I'm latex.
Wire loom protected. There's any rubbing going on with this hole right here. And then we'll call this the cold side. Well, that was fun. It literally just, I don't even have to dig for nothing. There they are. I don't need to keep these damn things on here, so I'm going to take those off. Okay, got these two guys hooked up. Got put ring terminals. I got to go into my shunt, smart shunt, which is really getting full. All right, got it plugged in. Just the battery. Always do your battery first. Don't ever send your solar panel positive and negative to your solar charge controller before you put the battery in. All right, and according to my research, this fuse right here is fusing the panels. So the one fuse that we need is going to the battery. And this is from the panel. And we just go and connect this real quick. We're just gonna get these brackets on. It looks a little bad, but it was way easier than trying to plumb it all the way through here. Because this is my water tank and it can bulge with temperature change, and drilling right in there is kind of problematic. I can see in right here the water tank terminates, like right here. This is all empty space, so I'll take this over accidentally puncturing my 30-gallon water tank.